The question by the student: when all the koshas, 5 koshas are negated, I don't find anything there. And what did the teacher say? By negating the 5 koshas, What remains is what? That Sakshi is Atma. That is your Swarupa. And the complaint by the Shishya is, I don't find anything there. Now this statement, I don't find anything after negation of, can you hear? This statement that I don't find anything after negation of the five sheets presupposes two things. What are the two things? Till now, I did know the five sheets. Now when negated, I don't find anything. Means I do find the absence of everything. Yes or no? Earlier, hitherto, I was aware of five sheets. Now these five sheets are negated. I don't find means I find the absence of everything, including the five sheets. Is it not? What does it mean? I am aware of both. What are those both? Presence of five sheets and the absence of five sheets. That principle is Atma. That because of which you are aware of absence and presence of the five sheets, it is Swasakshikaha. It is not known by anything else. Itself is a knowledge principle. That itself is Atma. Is Yataha, because of the reason. Asau. This, what is that? This Abhava, absence referred to by whom? Student. Which absence did he refer to? I don't find anything there. It means absence of everything. That absence of everything which is aware of. That is what is that? Asau, this abhava, swasakshikaha, is made known, or you are aware of by yourself that principle, that is swa, that is Atma. Atma alone makes you know that absence of all the five sheets, swasakshikaha, and therefore it says, yes, because of this, even when because of the presence of the principle, because of which, what is that? Even in the absence of the five sheets, you are able to know the absence of the five sheets. That is what yataha, because of that reason. Ataha swasakshikaha bhavaha svena anubhuyate. It is experienced not because of some other principle itself. Why? It is the very principle of experience. Just as you are able to see the microphone in the light. What about the tube light? It is luminous. What about the sun? You don't need other light. So like this, to know Panchakosha, to know their absence, whatever that knowledge principle, Atma, is required, that is not known by anything. It is self-luminous, Swayam Prakasha Swarupa, and that is what is your Swarupa. You can't say there is nothing. Even, see, these nihilists, Shunyavadis of Buddhism, they say Atma is Shunya. Do you know or not? That because of which you know is Atma. Can it be Shunya? Can it be non-existent? No. See, this may be a misinterpretation of some Upanishadic statement. Maitrayani Upanishad does speak of Atma as Shunya. But when it speaks of Atma Shunya, it doesn't mean non-existent. Shunya also means empty. EMPTY, okay. Shunya also means empty, khali, khali. No, khali. Kuch nahi hai. So therefore, Atma is said to be khali, empty, because prapanchopashama, prapancha rahita. It is free from superimposed creation. So that means again what? Shunya. But they took it Shunya as what? Non-existent principle. It may be so. Otherwise, they must have devised such a thing. येनानुभूयते अतः प्रत्यगात्मा स्वयं साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म. This principle, because of which you are aware of the presence and absence of the Panchakosha, itself is Svasakshi, itself knowledge principle, itself is the principle of experience, and therefore it is Pratyagatma. Pratyak. Parak, opposite is Pratyak. Parak is external. Pratyak is internal. In the sense, it is a very basic principle. Pratyagatma means Atma free from even Vijnanamaya kosha, free from all the kosha. So that we see, Annamaya kosha is said to be the outermost one, most parak. Then interior is the Pranamaya kosha. Still interior is Manomaya, still interior Vijnanamaya, still interior Andamaya, still interior, which is the very basis of even Andamaya, Brahma Pucham Pratishtayasi, is what? Pratyagatma. In contrast to Para, which can be objectified as this is the very subject. Pratyak means what? The subject which cannot be objectified. See, in creation two things are there. I and this. Is it now? This body we take both ways. More the merrier, no? This body we take as I, and also say this idam. That idam, actually it is idam, but I aham is a mistake. I aham is a mistake. So therefore, likewise, prana, mana, vijnana and ajnana, vijnanamaya. Okay, vijnana means vijnanamaya and ajnana, anandamaya. All are taken both aham and idam. But that Chaitanya Tattva which enlivens all this, which makes us aware of this, can never be idam. It can never be idam. It is always aham only. That's why it says Pratyagatma Swayam Sakshat Param Brahma. Itself is Sakshat. Sakshat means Aparoksha. Aparoksha, which is direct. See, look, I am there to know what is necessary. To know body is there, what is necessary. Have you got a body? Don't tell me if you don't have, okay. Then I will be in trouble afterwards. To whom I am talking and all that. So body is there. How do you know? In the waking, you perceive. Mentally you know. Dream, also mind has that. So mind and the indriyas are necessary or not? Or indriyas may not be required. See, if I ask you, are you there? Swamiji, please wait, let me see. Do you say so? No. Even in pitch darkness, you are walking. And a watchman of a nearby says, who is that? Arey Baba, thoda ठहरो, देखता हूँ मैं. No, it is me. Spontaneous. So the mind, you know, is it not? But in sleep, mind is not there. Do you know the body? I did not know anything, including myself. What does it mean? Some instrument of cognition is required to know the body. But I, Swaprakash, is the self-revealing principle, self-evident principle. There may be wrong notion as to what the I is, but has got anyone a doubt whether I am there or not? No one has doubted I am there. I am a samsari, I am a miserable person, I am a happy person, I am a person with so many problems, I am a person, lucky person, no problem. So all these may be possible. But I am is self-revealing, self-evident. It's Sakshat, Pratyekatma, Swayam Sakshat. That itself is Parabrahma. Param. After Param, add the Brahma. It is Param Brahma. It is the basis of entire Jagat. In copy. You took yourself to be this embodiment. This embodiment is not you. That Pratyekatma is you. And that Chaitanya Rupa Pratyekatma is the basis, Adhisthana, Adhara for entire Jagat. How great you are. And complaining, I am bullied by everyone. Is it? Vedanta wants to make you discover this directly, not simply nodding the head. Yes, yes. So yes, I am this Chaitanya Rupa Atma Brahma. Even that is a great accomplishment. It is Paroksha Jnana. You know, you people don't know the result of even exposure to Vedanta. Exposure to Vedanta can confer on you such a punya for which can be accomplished by great yajna yaga. Vedantic inquiry itself is rewarding whether you get Atma-jnana or not. If you get Atma-jnana, don't ask it. After all, kuch nahi chahiye. But even if you don't get Punya is, that's why some people say, what is that Vedanta, etc. Even this Kathakara, they say, no, sometimes once you get the audience, you can say anything and everything and get away as well. Shushka Vedanta, and people also are happy. Shushka Vedanta. They should be told, my dear sir, your antakarana is Shushka. Vedanta can never be, not a Shushka, dry. Shushka means dry, insipid. Has no. What they mean is, see, Bhagavad Katha, etc., see, because there is a joy, Ananda, Prabhu Leela, fine, there is nothing wrong in that, that is good as well. But this Vedanta, all that are dry, etc. In fact, some Nadia, some great Kathakar, always seen in the TV, channel TV, etc. Someone went and asked him personally afterwards. He admitted. He said, why do you disguise the people? Because great Kathakar, at least I think 15,000-20,000 people may be there. Then you have a responsibility of not distorting the Shastras. Yes, Vedanta appears to be Shushka. Do you know why? This person's antakarana is not in a condition to grasp the import of Vedanta. Therefore it appears dry. That doesn't mean Vedanta. So that is it. Suppose a person who has no bhakti at all and sits to listen Bhagavata or Ramayana, what will happen? You can't say Bhagavad is so dry, Ramayana is no, bhakti is not there. So this person doesn't have the capacity to grasp what Vedanta has to say. So, but it's all, generally they such jokes only they do, etc. Nobody knows what it is all about, and they think that it is a harm to the Shastra. Whether you talk of Ramayana, whether you talk of Bhagavata, whether you talk about Vedanta, it is all from Parameshwara. It is Ishvara. Ityasa, Ramayana, Purana, etc. about what? Finally it is from who? Parameshwara only. Whether Shruti or Shruti. Shruti is directed, Shruti is directed. So especially these people should be very careful not to spread wrong notions. There is Param Brahma, that itself is the very basis of entire Jagat. What was told in brief, that principle because of which you know the five Shis Panchakosha, because of which you know the absence of the Panchakosha, that itself is Atma Tattva, that itself is Brahma, the Adhikana of entire Jagat, which was told in brief, is now being further elaborated.
Jagrasvapna sushuptishu sputataram Yosau samujrumbhate Pratyadrupataya sada mahanityam spurannaikada Pashyannaham dimukhan Nityananda Chidapana Suravitam Vidhi Swametam Drudi Jagrusvapna sushuptishu sputataram Yosau samujrumbhate Pratyadrupataya sada mahanityam spurannaikada Pashyannaham dimukhan Nityananda Chidapana Suravitam Vidhi Swametam Drudi Yaha asau
First line.
Last word. Yaha asau tasya drupataya sada ekatha aham iti antaha Puran aham dimukhan नानाकार विकार भागिनः इमान् पश्यन् जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्फुटतरं समुज्जृम्भते नित्यानंद चिदात्मना च हृदि स्फुरति तम एकं स्वं विद्धि. Again, yaha असौ प्रत्यग्रूपतया सदा एकथा अहम् इति अन्तः स्फुरन् अहम् द्विमुखान् नानाकार विकार भागिनः इमान् पश्यन् जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्फुटतरं समुज्जृम्भते नित्यानंद चिदात्मना च हृदि स्फुरति तं एकं स्वं विद्धि.
This is what you know your Swarupa. Who is that? What is that? Yaha asau, the one who is like this. Pratyagrupataya. Pratyagrupataya. Sarvantarataya. Sarvantarataya. They were seen now. Pratyagatma. That is what is a Pratyagatma. Sarvantarataya. One of the innermost in the sense, the basis of all the kosha. All the kosha. Pratyagrupataya. Sarvantarataya. Sada. Always. Aham. Sada. Ekadha. Ekadha means in the same manner without changing. And how? Aham iti antaha sura. Antaha in antakarna. Suran swayam prakashamanaha san. Being self-luminous. As what? I. See. How ekada? Is it all the time I is ekada, same without any change? Is it? Now I am happy, now I am sorrowful, I am enthusiastic, I am depressed, I am dejected, I am exhilarating, I am joyful, I am sorrowful. Separate or not? That except that I, all appendages belong to Panchakosha. That I, free from all this, all the time same. How do you say? See, I am happy. Are you aware of that happiness or not? Yes. I am sorrowful. Are you aware of that sorrow or not? Yes. I am tall. Are you aware of that tallness of the body or not? I am short. Are you aware of that shortness of the body or not? I am, that is what? Sleepy. Are you aware of that sleepy condition or not? All these differ. I is same, but what happens? I appears to be different because you identify with those things. You identify with those conditions and take yourself to be different. But I is what? Ekadha. It's a one-fold way. One way means same. Ekadha is same. Nirvikari. So that's Ekadha. Aham iti antaha. Antaha means antakarna. Suran swayam prakashamanaha sam. What does it do? Pashan, seeing all these things. That is, aware of all these. What are those? Aham dhimukha. Aham dhimukha means beginning from aham dhi. Don't take Mukha means face and all that here. Beginning from Ahankara onward, all that is Idam Drishya. Ahankara is what? The notion of I-ness in the body. Ahankara onward, the notion of I-ness in the body. Ahamdhi Mukhan, Iman, Nana Vikara Bhajinaha Iman. So all these, what are those? Which take different change, modification. What are those? Antakarana onward up to the gross body, whichever change, all these what? Passion, being aware of, knowing this, all the changes. Means one who is aware of everything. Human passion, and where it is available? Jagrat Swapna Sushuptishu Sputataram Samudram Bhate. In all these three states of experience, Jagrat. Now look here, what are you doing? Listening, is it not? Are you aware of all that is listened? I don't ask further questions. whether you understand or not, that is a different aspect question. At least you hear or not. Having made the mistake of coming here, you have provided your ears are sound, okay? Provide ears are sound. So you have to listen to that. So that is there or not? So that is there. So that is there. Again, whatever that sound, etc. Mainly here, listening and seeing also what is around, etc. You are perforce, you have to see. You can't just say no, etc. So that is, see, once the indriyas are there, you can't get away from the perception. Suppose you are passing by a garbage can. At the most, you can close your nostrils. But with open nostrils, can you deny that foul smell? No. So long as your ears are there, you have to hear. You may choose to hear specific thing or not to specific thing. But if the sound is there, you cannot do anything except you plug the ear. So that's why it says, Phutataram, very clearly. Jagrat, in the waking state, all the perception, Swapna, in the dream, all that is dreamt, Sushuptishu, absence of all these things, is how Samudram Bhate. Samudram Bhate, Para Nirapekshaya Bhasate, is known without dependence on any other principle. Because this Swaprakasha Chaitanya Sarupa Atma is there, which makes you aware of all this. Samudram Bhate, and itself is what? Very big. Nityananda Chidatmana. Where we can find it? Now be careful. Permanent address of Atma. There are two types of addresses. Temporary addresses and permanent addresses. Temporary present one. They want the permanent address, because if you run away from here, they want to catch you somewhere. So, what is that permanent address of Atma? You know what that is? And how? Nityananda Chidatmana. In the Atmana means Rupena, Swarupena. What Swarupena? Nityananda Chit. Nityananda Chit Swarupena, Chaitanya Swarupena, which is always Ananda Swarupa. So where? Say Hridi Skurati. It shines, it is available where? In Hridaya. What is Hridaya? Antakarana. Now you got permanent address of Atma? Antakarana. But one thing along with that, one secret I am telling you, which is not told there, which Shankaracharya has kept as a secret, but I am telling you, okay, this permanent address of Atma itself is the permanent address of Bhagavan, okay? This itself is permanent address of who? Parameshwara. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hrideshe junatishthati. That hrid and this hrid are one and the same. That is your antakarana. Now come on, tell me, where all you go on hunting to find Parameshwara? Your own antakarana. And what we are so great, we disown that and go on hunting for Paramatma. All sadhanas are meant to discover this truth. Nityananda Chidatmana Hridi Spurati Tam Etam Swam Vidhi. Know that Chaitanya Swarupa Atma is what? Swam, your Swarupa. And not, come on, tell me, not what? Panchakosha. And not the Panchakosha which you are taking hitherto as the Atma Swarupa. Now, see, as it is described, can we miss Atma in a single moment? All that we experience is on account of what? What you consider I as what? Is it not? And yet, you are here on Sunday evening, Vivek Chudamani class. What for? To find out Atma. Is it not? It's a great paradox. See, look, Jagrat Swapna Sushuptishu. One is very evident. Okay? That is that. All the time, in and through all experiences, aham. You say I or not. You may not say aham. In any language, whether I or your own language, you say me, I, you say or not. See? And the one who is aware of all the vikara, drishya, beginning from ahankara, Iman means drishya padartha. These all drishya. So that's the word or not. Again, Nityananda Chidatmana you may not know. But Nitya Chidatmana you know or not? Yes. If so evident, why do we miss it? It is explained with the help of an illustration. What is the reason for non-cognition of Atma, who is so evident? So it is due to, that is, non-cognition due to ignorance. We will explain with an illustration.
Todake Vishvitamarga Bimbam Alokya Muro Ravimeva Manyate Tata Chidahāsamupādi Samstham Prantyādamityeva jado vimanyate. Anvaya. Mūಢः घटोदके विद्वितं अर्कबिम्बं आलोक्य रविम् एव मन्यते तथा जडः उपाधिसंस्थं चिदाभासं भ्रान्त्या अहम् इति एव अभिमन्यते. घटोदके बिंबितम् अर्कबिंबम् आलोक्य रविम् एव मन्यते तथा जडः उपाधिसंस्थं चिदाभासं भ्रान्त्या अहम् इति एव अभिमन्यते.
Illustration is like this. Mudha. Here mudha means like a child or something. Aviveki doesn't have that sense of discrimination. What is that? Say, there is a pot. In the pot there is water. In the water, sun is reflected. Where is the sun? Up in the sky. But the child thinks sun is there in the pot. Buddha means aviveki. What is there in the pot is reflected sun. Pratibimba. And Pratibimba has got a bimba. Is it not? Likewise, everyone knows me as a Sachetana, sentient being. Anyone has got doubt? I am a Sachetana, one person. And therefore, it is okay. At least this much you know. Whatever that is I is not inert. We may not know the Atma Swarupa, never mind. But whatever we take as I is what? Sachetana, everyone knows. Abala Vriddha. From child to old person, everyone knows. Whatever that is, Sachetana, sentient is I, and body is found to be Sachetana. It is taken as what? I. Actually, that sentiency, Sachetanata, in the body is Pratibimba of what? The true Atma. So that Aviveki mistakes the body as Atma. Do you know, this is the handiwork of who? Antakarna. This is the handiwork of Antakarna, because Chaitanya Rupa Atma can get reflected only in Antakarna. Do you know why? Antakarna is made of Pancha Mahabhutas. Before grossification, they being subtle, they have what capacity to reflect Chaitanya. Just as on a smooth surface only light can get reflected, not otherwise. So this Antakarna Chaitanya gets reflected. Then Vijnanamaya Kosha, from there Manomaya Kosha, Indriya, through Indriya, physical body appears as what? Sachetana. And we mistake what the body as? The Pratibimba is mistaken as the Bimba. Like a child mistaking the reflected sun as the sun. This is what is Mudha. Aviveki, like a child. Ghatodake bimbitam arka bimbam. Arka is bimba, pratibimba. Bimba is original thing, pratibimba is reflection. See, when you see your face in the mirror, your face is pratibimba or bimba? Pratibimba. Bimba. What you see in the mirror is pratibimba. Is it not? Likewise, this is. So here Surya is bimba, and what you see in the reflected water in the pot is pratibimba. Ghatodake bimbitam. Bimbitam means here pratibimbitam, reflected. Arkam, the sun. See, arka bimbam, the original disk of the sun. Alokya, having seen, ravim eva manyate. Considers what? See, mummy, see here. I have caught the sun. Somebody said, I have captured the cloud in the bottle. You are going to Mahabaleshwar. hill station, the clouds move. At times as if thick, so like a smoke it appears. So he took a bottle and drink, and I have caught the cloud, or I have touched the cloud. Cloud will go thin and to you. Okay. So that is how it is. Bimbitam arkabimbam alokya ravimeva. See, it depends on the clarity of the reflection. For example, it's not in Bombay, this is not possible. In the villages and visiting towns, when the houses with the tile roof are there, and heavy rain must be there, and rain, water falls, because the first that the flow is there, and with that it falls on the ground, and the muddy, it is not concrete, cement, concrete, etc., muddy thing. Initially what happens? All mud, and that at a particular place where the water falls, it all mud gets washed away. And afterwards small pebbles are there, and suppose at the fag end of the monsoon, it has rained, and then afterwards the sky has become all clear. What happens? If you see in that small puddle of water, blue sky can be very clearly seen. We used to say, with a bet, say, I will touch the sky. I will touch the sky. And then dip your finger in that puddle of water. See, I have touched the sky. Because such a clear reflection is there. So like that, the child thinks that this is the sun. It doesn't know up there is the sun. So that is it. So arka bimbam, ravim eva manyate. That is fine, we can laugh at, but the same blunder we do in ourselves. That also we can laugh at, no? Can't laugh at, why? That is the source of all the sorrows. That is the source of all the sorrows. Tatha, in the same manner, upadhi samsam chidabhasam. Chidabhasa, reflected Chaitanya, abiding where? Upadhi. Which upadhi? Antakarna, ahankara, onwards up to gross body in succession. First Chidabhasa is where? In Vijnanamaya Kosha, where ahankara is. Then Manomaya Kosha, Indriya, Deha. In succession it comes. That Upadhi Samsam is the entire Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is the entire embodiment. Samsam ahamiti eva. The Bhrantya, on account of error, Jada Jadaha, who is the Jadaha now? Aviveki, who has no Atma, Anatma, Viveka, Jadaha, Upadisam, Sam, Chidabhasam, Bhrantya, erroneously, Ahamiti, Eva, Abhimanyate, considered as I, not knowing the upadhi distinct from this, from the Chaitanya Rupa Atma. Fine. What is the then true nature of Atma? Vastutaha. In reality, Atma is so. How it is so? Let us see.
Atam jadam sarvakamarka bimbam Vihaya sarvam virishyate kaha Tatastha eka kripaya bhasakaha Swayam prakasho vidushaya bhagava Devam diyam chitrati Devam diyam chitrati vimbamevam Visrujya buddhau nihitam guhaya सर्वगति शून्यमनन्यमात्मनः विज्ञाय सम्यक् निजरूपमेतत् पुमान् विहात्मा विरजो विमृत्युः अन्वय यथा घटं जलं तद्गतं अल्पबिम्बं सर्वं विहाय एतत्त्रितयावभासकः तटस्थः स्वयं प्रकाशः अर्कः विदुषा विनिरीक्ष्यते तथा
repeat same repeat
again यथा घटं जलं तद्गतं अल्पबिम्बं सर्वं विहाय एतत्त्रितयावभासकः तटस्थः स्वयं प्रकाशः अर्कः विदुषा विनिरीक्ष्यते तथा.
Actually, these four stanzas go together. Here, in this illustration is given Drishtanta. Afterward, Darshtanta will come. You will see that later. But let us say Drishtanta. Yatha, just there. Now here, Ghatam, pot. Jalam, what was told earlier. That is how illustration was mistaking reflected sun for the sun. Now how to ascertain the real sun distinct from the reflection? First with respect to the Drishtanta is told, then with respect to Darshtanta. Yatha, just as Ghatam jalam tadgata arka bimbam sarvam vihaya. When this child says the reflected sun as the sun, her attention is focused where? Pot, water in the pot, reflection of sun in the pot, is it not? And it concentrates on the reflection as what? Actual sun. Now what it should do? It has to give up all these. This pot, water in it, and reflection. None of these means it has to shift its attention from this reflection. So that is what is said as what? Vihaya. Here Vihaya is giving up this thought, shifting the attention from the pot, water therein, and the reflection cast in the water. So that is what he says. Yatha, just as Ghatam, pot, Jalam, water, Tadgatam, Arkabimbam. Tadgatam means Jalagatam, the reflection of the sun obtained in the water. Sarvam Vihaya, having given up all these. So, Tatasthaha. So, who is it? Arkaha Vinirikshate. By whom? Vidusha. Not a child, a grown-up person, a knowledgeable person. By a knowledgeable person, Vidusha, what is that? Arkaha Vinirikshate. The sun, when you look up in the sky, what happens? The pot is given up, water in that is given up, reflection also is given up. Is it not? Your sight is now directed toward the actual sun. So that's what it says. Arka, Vidusha. How? Arka, hard Vinirikshate. The sun is observed. How? What type of sun it is? Tatasthaha. You know what is Tatastha? Indifferent. indifferent to what happens in the world. What about you? Madhyastha? Which stha you are? Grihastha. Grihastha. So which stha you are now? Totally stha. Totally identified with the entire sarvastha. So that is it. No, tatastha, the son who is indifferent. And etat tritayava bhasakaha tatastha. What is that indifference? First, before that, etat tritayava bhasakaha. One who is the illuminator of these three. What are those three? Ghata, Ghatodaka, Udakastha, Bimba. All these avabhasakaha illumines what is seen because of sunlight. Water in the water is what is seen because of sunlight. Reflection is also because of the sun only. So all this is there. Avabhasakaha. At the same time, tatasthaha. He is the sunset. See what the child says. I am such a luminous one in the sky and say that I am well in the pot, such a small one. Is it? No. Tatasthaha. Swayam prakashaha. Independent of the water, because see, the reflection depends on the water, otherwise reflection would not have come. But sun doesn't depend on the water. Swaprakashaha, the very self-luminous knowledge principle, see, arkaha, that type of sun, vibhu, vidusha vinirikshate, by a viveki, not a child, mudha, vinirikshate, is observed, tatha. In the same manner, here you are vidwan, right? Because you are able to see the sun distinct from ghata, ghata jala and pratibimba. But same way here also, discarding the I notion in the embodiment, Atma who is independent and tatastha, indifferent towards all these, that should be discussed. Dashtanta.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु